The full name of the Vadi Vel is Vadi Vel Sundaram. So Sundaram means handsome. So he's a handsome guy. So thank you so much for that. So actually I'm a general practitioner. I'm working here in Ireland for 5 years. I'm basically from Pakistan, the south part of Pakistan, the province Sindh. The Sindh is like what we say that it is the Indus Valley civilization, which is 1,000 years old. So being Sindhi, we claim that we are being Pakistani, we claim that we are like those heirs of those Indus Valley civilization people. And few of our people, they migrated to India, in the south part of India. So Vadi Vel is one of them. So he is the continuity of the Sindhi, or what we can say the Indus Valley culture and the Indus Valley origin. So thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to speak here. This is such an honorable and great forum. I just have few words I want to say. I actually have written those words. Otherwise, if I speak the way that I'm speaking, you would not be able to understand me. So as a migrant, as a journal practitioner, and someone who is proud to call Ireland home, I have experienced the kindness, opportunities, and the trust that this country offers every day. I have the privilege of serving Irish patients and giving back to the community that welcomed me. Migration brings challenges, but also it brings skills, resilience, compassion, and the new perspective. As migrant, we are here to contribute, to care, to work, to innovate, hopefully, and to strengthen Ireland alongside our Irish friends and colleagues. Our success is tied to the Ireland success because our children who are here, they are more Irish than us, and they're being more integrated effectively than us, like the elders actually. The integration is a shared journey. It's not only about migrant embracing Ireland's values and culture, but also about building communities where everyone feels respected, valued, and able to contribute. Mutual respect, shared responsibility, and understanding are the foundation of a stronger society. Ireland has a proud history of resilience. It has stood up to its freedom against one of the history's mightiest empire, and emerged with its identity, values, democracy intact. That history should give us the confidence that Ireland is a strong nation, strong enough to welcome diversity. While remaining true to itself, we should have confidence that no one can undo Ireland's identity. Together, we can only make our communities stronger. So, let us continue to build Ireland where the diversity is seen as a strength, hope inspires actions, and every person has the opportunity to bring, contribute, and thrive. So we run a small organization. We call it Irish Sindhi Association. We